presenting a pre-owned 2010 Toyota Sienna LE. This four-door van has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 126,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, power steering, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.